This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Taryn DeRose. Take a look at this beautiful open floor plan on a quiet cul-de-sac in the Williamsburg Bluffs subdivision. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-story entry, formal dining room, eat-in kitchen, large living room with wood-burning fireplace and beautiful sunroom area with lots windows which allow for natural light. Friendly neighborhood with low HOA, walk to the swimming pool, playgrounds, tennis court and soccer fields. Fully fenced yard with large deck and gazebo. Close to Colonial Williamsburg, the interstate, military bases, perfect for commuters. For more information, review the details below or contact Taryn DeRose at 757-746-0080.